Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 10 pronoun sentences. So let's begin. Number 1. I am going to school. Number 2. You are my best friend. Number 3. He is playing football. Number 4. She loves to dance. In these sentences, I, you, he, she are pronouns. Number 5. It is raining outside. Number 6. We are watching a movie. Number 7. They are reading books. In these sentences, it, we, they are pronouns. Number 8. This is my pencil. Number 9. That is your bag. Number 10. These are my shoes. In these sentences, this, that, these are pronouns. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye.